One of the things that happened on my site visit today was there was some confusion over how the stairs were going to get laid out and how that was going to happen once we start moving forward with the framing, now that we've raised this house up. One of the most important reasons why it is important for you to hire a contractor that has some experience and knows how to deal with problems and think things through is just simply being able to get answers. If you're not dealing with somebody who has some framing experience and understands how to lay out stairs, trusses, roofs, that sort of thing, it's been my experience that you're really gonna struggle to get the project done and have it completed in a manner that you're gonna be happy with at the end of the project. It took 5 minutes to work through the numbers with the team and we figured it out. We know exactly what the rise and run need to be for the stairs. We have a pretty good idea of where they're gonna land in the future and if that will or won't impact the existing design. It's not gonna impact anything. Life is gonna be great. But again, you know, I've been doing this for 17 years. And so having been a framer to begin with, and now as a leader to this amazing team I have, I'm able to just come in and be like, hey, let's just do this, dudes. It'll be just fine. So when you're looking to hire a contractor, I strongly encourage you to hire somebody that's got some framing experience and understands how to build a home. So important. That's my tip for today. Thanks for watching.